Hello everyone, this is Prince and in this video we are going to create a delete method for deleting the task. Okay, so let's get started. Now what we have to do is we have to let's make a delete method in the provider for deleting our task. So let's go to the task provider, and here I will make a delete method, delete task, and it will take a ID. It will take the ID of the task. So tasks dot remove here, dot ID equal to ID. Okay, arrow function does not works in Dart. Nice. So it will remove the task whose ID is equal to the ID provided in this function, and again we will notify our listeners so that the list is updated. Similarly, in task service, delete task string ID. This ID will be passed on from the widget, not task provider dot delete task and ID. Okay, so this is enough. Let's go to our task card, and here, so let's wrap this inside a icon button and icon on press. What we will do here is delete task, and this is a method that I have not created right now, so let's go ahead and create it. Delete task, and again we'll use the locator of, let's first import this locator of task service, and I will import the service also dot delete task. So the ID will be this dot task dot ID, because we are receiving the task in this card and it is a stateless widget. Remember this thing, that it is a stateless widget. As for now, we will change it to stateful widget when we will implement the update status. Okay, we don't need to, because we will be doing that in the task details screen. So this will always remain a stateless widget, just show the details of the task. Now let's restart it, and I will click on delete, and it's gone. Let's quickly create a task so that we can do some actions here. Task description, and add task. Okay, so now you can see that it is showing task status dot open, and it's not looking very nice. It should be only open and with title case. So let's go ahead and do some refactoring. So what I will do is I will create a utilities folder, and inside that I will create a enum utility. Sorry, not Dart. Let's quickly change the file name. I forgot to add dart. Great. So we will create some utility methods to handle our enums, because in Dart enum handling is not quite good, and we will see that once we connect our this task to do app with the REST APIs, then at backend it will only be open. It will not be as like task status dot open. Status is just open or in progress or done. It's not task status dot open. Okay, so let's create two methods. First will be string enum value to string, and this will take a object o, and it will return o dot to string dot split at a dot last dot to lowercase. So see how this is working. It will convert it to string, so it will be like task status dot open, and then we will split at dot. So it will make it a array of strings with first element as task status and second as open dot last. So the last element will be open and two lowercase, so it will be open in lowercase. Okay, so let's create another method for returning the enum. So it will be enum value from string, and this will be generic type T, string key, and the enum table of T values, the enum values. So how this will work is, it will take values dot first where, and will make a function value if value is not equal to null, and key equal to equals to enum value to string v, or else it will return null. Okay, so see how this will work. It will take a string key. For example, it will take something like open. Okay, and what are the values? The values are the enum values. So where are the enums? Task status. So the values are task status dot open, task status dot in progress, and task status dot done. Something like this. Task status dot open. So this will be one enum value, and this is basic programming. This is nothing rocket science here what I have done. So it will take the values, and it will match each value with the key that we have passed. So if a match is found, it will return the value. So the value will be task status dot open. So it will return us the enum value. Now let's go ahead to our task service, sorry, task model. Where is task model? Okay, so see, when we are converting the task from map, so we will change this status as, will not directly take the status because that's a enum. This dot status will be equal to enum, sorry, enum value from string, and I will import it from the utility, and the string will be math status dot toString. And the second argument will be task status dot values, and this will be of type task status. So this is the generic type here, T. So what this will do is, we are doing this because from map will uh, uh, because from map will be called when we are creating a task object here, and here we will be doing enum value to string. I'm doing this thing here because once this data starts coming from backend, this thing will be handled at the backend, and the status will directly return something like this. So it will directly return something like open. It will not give you task status dot open or task status dot in progress. So this has to be handled at front end only. Okay, so let's restart it. Title and description. Okay, one more thing, let's go to task card. Where is the task card? And where we are adding the status, instead of doing this, what we'll do is enum value to string task status. Okay, great. Now we'll add a task. So see, it's coming here open. We'll change it to title case later on.